guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a secret review and unboxing of the ADIDAS STELLA McCartney See You Later. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS STELLA McCartney See You Later in a UK size 8. It's European 42 and it's US 9.5. So just before we get unboxing, if you don't know, Stella McCartney is one of the most perennial British designers of the current era. I mean, of the last decade or so. She's the daughter of Sir Paul McCartney, but that shouldn't be mentioned in her own right. She's a fabulous designer. And you've got this really dope box with the Stella McCartney logo also. And the shoes themselves, they are a Golf Course wet dream. They're gorgeous. Whoops. So we'll start with the outsole. So this is all a rubber outsole, and you can see the traction pattern there. It's in this lugged state, so it's there for your hiking needs. This sneaker essentially is a hiking boot from ADIDAS and Stella McCartney. And moving on to the midsole unit. So this is an EVA foam midsole. It's there for your comfort, and the upper is made out of a range of materials. This is vegan and recycled materials. At least 20% of the materials used in the sneaker are recycled. And this is also water repellent, so these aren't going to get water into your feet. You can easily brush them off. And again, like I said, this is a Golf Course wet dream because it's Stella McCartney ADIDAS, and you can use it in the outdoors. Got this beautiful hits right there, orange with a lighter orange on the mesh that's underneath. So you got some fake pleather materials right there on the toe box, and the paneling on the sides here, and just underneath that, as I mentioned before, it's a mesh right there for you to keep water out. It's like a rain jacket material that this underneath is made out of. The tongue as well is made out of the nylon material right here. You got your mountain climb rope lacing. That's what it's made out of, to keep your feet secured in. Stella McCartney lettering on the pull tab on the front. On the lateral side, you got the Stella McCartney logo on the heel of the EVA foam, and on the back, I don't know what this is. I think it's like probably there to attach some rope to your heels if you're climbing. But you got this bit of plastic there to hook something in. The outer, the heel counter is made out of synthetic materials also, and on the inside it says "End Plastic Waste." And you've got a synthetic insole also. So if you look at this sneaker, it's a very sturdy sneaker. It's a nice fashion boot to wear for the hikes. The ruche will go well with your Arc'teryx jackets. We've done tons of Golf Course reviews on products, and this surely fits into all of them. Really nice sneaker, hiking boot from ADIDAS and Stella McCartney. Can't wait to try these on for you. Rolling that footage of me trying these. See you later in a bit. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I'm a UK size 8. These fit perfectly. They look really cool on as well. They're very comfortable. And yeah, great job Stella and the team at Adidas. Thumbs up from us. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.